Most plumbers get this wrong when choosing software. They focus on brand names or price and ignore how much time the tool actually saves them in the field. And that mistake quietly kills profit every single week. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best plumbing software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that removes daily chaos like missed jobs, slow invoicing, and messy scheduling. In this video, you will learn the top 5 plumbing software options in 2026 and how they actually compare in real plumbing workflows. Not theory. Real use cases like dispatching emergency calls, managing repeat customers, and handling invoices on the go. And stay with me, because by the end you will know exactly which software fits your plumbing business size and growth stage. Let's start with number 5, Workis. Workis is popular for service businesses that need strong call tracking and basic scheduling. Imagine a plumber like Jake, running a small emergency repair service. Workis helps him track leads, answer calls, and assign jobs quickly. It is simple and works well for small teams. But here's the problem. As jobs increase, reporting and advanced workflow automation feel limited compared to higher-end tools. At number 4, we have Markate. Markate is a budget-friendly option for solo plumbers or very small teams. It covers estimates, invoices, and basic CRM features. If you are just starting out, it keeps things organized without overwhelming you. Now here's where it gets interesting. Markate is affordable, but it is not built for scaling. Once you start hiring technicians, you may feel restricted in dispatching and routing features. At number 3, Jobber. Jobber is one of the most well-known service business platforms. It is clean, easy to use, and great for scheduling and customer communication. Picture John, running a mid-sized plumbing company with 5 technicians. Jobber helps him assign jobs, send quotes, and collect payments smoothly. The strength of Jobber is simplicity. But here is the trade-off. Advanced plumbing workflows like complex dispatching and deep customization are not as strong as enterprise-level tools. At number 2, HouseCallPro.ai. HouseCall Pro is built for growth. It offers stronger automation, marketing tools, and better dispatching compared to simpler platforms. For example, it can automatically send review requests after a job, or follow up with customers for repeat maintenance work. But here's the catch. It takes longer to learn. New teams may need training before they feel fully comfortable using it. Now we reach number 1, ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is designed for larger plumbing companies. Think multiple trucks, multiple dispatchers, and high daily job volume. It is extremely powerful for scheduling, reporting, and business analytics. It gives you deep control over every part of your operation. But here is the reality. It is expensive and not ideal for small businesses. If you are not generating consistent high revenue, it can feel like too much too soon. So how do you choose the right one? If you are a solo plumber or just starting out, Markate or Workis will keep things simple and affordable. If you are growing past a few technicians, Jobber is a solid middle ground. If you want to scale and automate, HouseCall Pro becomes a stronger choice. And if you are running a large operation with serious volume, ServiceTitan is the most powerful option. Now here is the key takeaway most plumbers miss. The best software is not the most advanced one. It is the one your team will actually use every single day without resistance. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe for more software comparisons, and comment your business size so I can help you choose the right setup for your plumbing workflow.